rockin' very on, kiss my pocket on the side to get your grind up. Yeah. Oh, my camera messed up, but what's goody? Hey. Yeah, man, we headed. I don't know where we headed. Just a view though, you feel me? Where we going? We headed somewhere.
Wyoming.
Yeah.
Man versus wild.
Man versus wild. Huh? 2 mile hike. Hey, yo, Glassman, yo. What's good? Yeah. You know what time it is, man. Yo, we rockin' very on, kiss my pocket on the side to get your grind up. Yeah.
We out here Wyoming.
Yo, Dougie. We don't care. Don't care.
Wait, we going up the hill?
We're going up the hill right now. I just want y'all to see this hill real quick.
We finna get there tomorrow.
Tough. It's big tough. Here. But it is what it is, man. Hey, I'ma holler at y'all young boys. We finna walk this thing up out of here, man. And then it is what it is. But look at that. To the left. It's crazy. We got the Indian with me. Indian!
What is that, nigga?
Oh, that's some rattle stuff.
That's a rattlesnake.
Yeah, rattlesnake. Ooh, look at the body, boy. That's what happens when you work out. You know what I'm saying? Stop being cocky. All right. Anyways, we walking, bro. I'm getting tired, bro. They talking about do 2-3 miles. I don't know if I can do that. But we gonna see, bro. I think the view is what's keeping me up, to be real with you. Alright, we probably about half a mile in. I'm starting to get tired. All I'm doing is looking at the floor because the floor is very close to the edge. So, you know, it's a little different. I'm about to fall. Gotta watch my step. There's plenty of rocks going down the hill. We got a little decent gang with us. Hey. This person told me to vlog. What? Say what's up to the vlog, man. You told me to vlog.
Yeah, I didn't tell you to vlog. I thought you've been vlogging.
No, I was just vlogging just a little bit.
Yeah, look at the view.
Oh, yeah. My bad. This the gang with, man. You know what I'm saying? We deep in this John, you heard? We deep in this John. So, it's family now. It's just time to go out here and do our thing. Team bonding, for sure. It's another team bonding, for sure, man. Hey, so they want to know, how did you get out here? What led you to come to Riverton, Wyoming for college? Coach? Good coaching? Now, if there was anything that you can do in your life, you know, to kind of change it to where you can jump straight to a university, what would it be?
Work harder when I was younger.
Work harder when you was younger?
I started basketball later.
Oh, you did? What year did you start basketball? 8th grade? Okay. But did you kind of hit a growth spurt, or was it like you hit a growth spurt? So was it ever times where you felt like, dang, if I just would have did this, I probably would have been at university?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your main goal? Like, what do you want to get out of this?
Be a pro.
Be a pro?
Yeah.
All right. What type of pro? You want to be an NBA player, overseas, or just anything where it's involving money?
Involving money, that's it.
And when you get, let's say you do get this money, right? What are you gonna do with the money? Like, what are you specifically gonna do with the money?
But my mama home.
Like,
my niggas home.
Yeah, for sure, bro. So that's a blessing, bro. It's riding for y'all, man. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot of highlights from him. He's a high major. Put my words on the earth. Yeah. All right, who we got next? We got Dave. Yo, talk to me. What's your reasoning for coming to Riverton, Wyoming for Central Island? Coach Smith. That's you down there?
Yeah.
Okay. So let people know, like, what this JUCO life is really about, you know? Like, let them know to get in the bag, you know?
It's really what it is.
Like,
Dog days.
it's the dog days, right? It's the days you gotta get to it, man.
Bring your daddy to food.
Yeah. Just to get better. What do you plan on? What do you want to go from this?
I don't know, a mid to high major college.
Right.
Hopefully be a pro.
Be a pro. And when you get that money, what are you getting? How do you want to be rich?
I just want to be rich because, you know, my mom and my parents sacrificed a lot.
Yeah.
So I just want to give back.
Give back?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good, man. Hey, I think you can make it, bro. You really can do it. Just keep pushing, bro. Keep believing. Trust in your God. That's what you gotta do. Yeah, man. So, this is DG for y'all. I just want to ask, what led you to come into Central Wyoming College?
It's kind of serious a little bit, but long story short, played my senior year. Ended up being able to make a coach in the AU. Got me a scholarship. It was the best equation.
What are you using this basketball for? Like, are you using it to be a pro? Are you using it for a degree?
I'm definitely doing this to be pro. I want to get my degree first on graduate.
Yes, sir.
Then go play. My goal is to play overseas in the highest league.
Right.
Tournament Turkey.
Yep.
That's my goal is to play pro. I want to get paid for it.
What motivates you to go hard like every day? Like, is it something personal or is it just like zero time?
Definitely my mom, my full family. My brother already played pro. So, definitely just taking after him and carrying on to the fam.
Yeah, for sure.
That's all I really. That's why I do it.
Do you look up to your brother like for situations and stuff like that?
Oh, definitely. My brother's been through everything and plays basketball at the highest level.
Right.
So you can't ask for better critique.
Yes, sir.
And just better overall, just knowing the game. He knows the best. So I definitely look up to him. He tells me things that really help me with my game. And are gonna help me get to the level I want to be at.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Roddy, that's tough, boy. That's big time, bro.
I respect that.
That's your brother, huh? Wow, that's his favorite.
I ain't gonna die, y'all. I ain't gonna die. I'm going. Don't touch me. Alright. We're going back to the edge, y'all. It's crazy. I'm about to. Oh! Yeah! Oh, I'm about to dive in. Yeah. We finally made it, y'all. We finally made it, man. We at the destination. I'm about to get in the water. I'm about to have some fun, bro. This is what you call living life to the fullest of your ability, you know? You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, y'all, welcome to the Waterfall. Welcome to the Tropicals. I'm gonna holler at your boys. We're gonna get wet. No homo. Pause. Yo! This is what you call living life! They going underwater with me for sure. This is the iPhone XS Max. They going underwater with me. They going underwater with me. For like a second. No, they going underwater. Huh? They going underwater. Y'all ready to see this underwater adventure?
Yeah. Let's go, dude. Let's see this.
All right. I hope my phone don't because I'm in Wyoming. But we're about to do this. So, I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Y'all like that? Y'all like that? All right. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Y'all want to go one more time? Y'all said y'all want to go again? Oh. We're going out here. That was fun, right? I'm about to die though. That's the last one. Ah. All right, I'm out.
We in the shit. Bro, I got goosebumps.
Yo, this is definitely going on YouTube, right?
Tone, jump in, bro. No cap.
No
That's
cap.
some real nigga rap cap.
Say slap. I gotta see that video. Definitely gotta see that. Slap. Bad, I got Sydney's with me. Robert, bad. His little nigga want Gigi with me. Yeah.
Just go, bro. Go, Jalen. It's record.
Fuck it. Go. Fuck it. Let's go, Jay. Fuck it. Yeah. Hey, you already up there, bro. You want, baby? You want to go? Yo, mama gonna see you. Yo, mama gonna Jay, we finna count down for you. 3. Oh!